Of course, my name is Dr. Ross, and Black King Sebastian is currently out right now making some of that money, making some of the moolah. And as you can see, we have the cat claws on, which you can find on the Rose and Gold website, or DM us if you'd like to purchase some. And let's get straight into the Bible for today. We want to start it off with Amber Rose. Amber Rose, we want to say the first mistake you made was tattooing your son's birthday on the top of your forehead. I know they're allegedly saying that you secretly married your boyfriend and now he's your husband, and fans are going crazy about that, but you guys both tattooed it on your head? No. And Miss Amber Rose, we already know that you are a sensible woman. Does that make sense? Next time a nigga come with you with a tattoo gun towards your forehead, just say no. Just say no. You don't have to do it, Amber. You didn't have to put bash and beans just because another nigga did it. And we don't really care if you got married to a frog, because you need to kiss something to get that tattoo off of your head, Amber Rose. Wear a baseball cap that says roseandgold.us. But let's get into our next hot topic. We have Lisa Rinna. We love you, Lisa. But Lisa, you are Hollywood royalty. You should not be running around throwing drinks at people, screaming and hollering in girls' faces for a guy that is literally just sitting there getting entertained. Andy Cohen. When's the last time you saw Andy Cohen get up and fight one of you guys? Never, never. You guys are basically being the entertainment, making fools of yourselves, while Andy Cohen sits there and you guys talk to him about how you made fools of yourself. So don't do it, Lisa. Don't do it. You're better than this. You're one of the She's Hot winners. And speaking of She's Hot winners, we heard that Paris Hilton, the billionaires, and Kim Kardashian with the BAM are back being the dynamic duo. We just want to say, like I said, Paris Hilton, when you have a B in front of your name, you're a billionaires. You don't have to keep going around trying to be relevant. You can walk out the place and just be Paris Hilton. That'll give you relevance without having to force your relevance out there. And Kim Kardashian, you were another She's Hot winner, a millionaire, multi-millionaire. So Dr. Ross would like to be in the middle of that donut and split it down. Paris, stop being greedy. We love you, Paris, but stop being greedy. On to our next hot topic. We have Kelly Ripa slammed for being a drama queen after Ryan Seacrest's return. Kelly, we're not going to even talk about you because everyone knows that Kelly Ripa is scandalous, and of course she's a drama queen. She wants things done her way, and it's going to be done her way. Let's get into our next hot topic. Just as we were talking about Lisa Rinna, it has to pop up. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. We don't really know the other girls' names, but we can see Lisa in the background while Brandy, the girl that Lisa Rinna never gets along with, and Denise Richards are fighting over a cake and how they return to the show. Didn't Denise just say she was leaving?
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Oh, shit.
That's how you guys know it is set up from the beginning. On to our next hot topic. So Brad Pitt's reported girlfriend channels Angelina Jolie's in a sexy new photo. All I want to say is, no.
No, God!
No. No offense to Brad Pitt's new girlfriend. She's a model, but Angelina Jolie is a different type of breed. She's a different woman. She's scandalous, top of the top. You can't double it. And the eyes are what is scaring me, Brad Pitt, for his new girlfriend. You can't put them in the same category, Angelina Jolie and the new girlfriend. On to our last and final hot topic. We have scandalous after scandalous, but we have Teresa Giudice and her daughter. The oldest daughter, Giudice, looks more grown up than her first day of middle school. Of course she's gonna look grown up when she has the saber-toothed werewolf tiger as her mother, Teresa Giudice, and your father is over there in Italy screaming through the TV saying he's gonna fight any girl or any guy that gets near Teresa Giudice. So She has a lot to live up to. The apple never falls far from the tree. This was a short rose and gold because, like I said, Black King Sebastian is out on location right now. Before we go into our horoscope, we do want to mention the Emmys because, as you know, the Emmys was last night and it was a really fantastic show. Black King Sebastian and I watched it. A lot of fantastic winners came out. They accepted their awards. You know, it was a lot of fun. People made jokes. They came out and did it all quarantine safe. But I have a few things that I do want to say about the Emmys. Even though it was a good show, the Emmys, they have to tone down a little bit with the politics. Every single winner was really getting at over and over and over. And I want to say this respectfully, that everyone matters. The whole world matters. And we do want to say for each individual, because we do know that there are men and female and women and everyone who has had, you know, stuff happen to them that's not acceptable, it's some nonsense, and our hearts go out to that, our prayers go out to that, and we say we're sorry and we apologize for those people and everything that has happened to them. But as a whole, we all need to come together as a team, and we need to stick together and fight it out together instead of really bashing at who's this, who's that, every single bumper sticker is this and that. That's the only thing I had to say about the Emmys. But other than that, it was a fantastic show. The winners, you know, some of the winners were Zendaya. She came out and she hosted. She looked fantastic. She won an award for Euphoria. They had a big party where she was. Succession, the drama series, it won a lot of awards. Different actors came up and they gave their speeches. They had the whole cast there having a dinner. It was just a fantastic show. Straight into the horoscope for today. As you know, or you may not know, this is the last day for all the Virgos out there. So once again, happy birthday. If your birthday is today, happy birthday. And this is your horoscope for today, Virgo. You're able to concentrate more intently on your personal life. The wide-ranging talents you possess stand you in a good speed. You enjoy the attention you receive, whether you're looking for a partner or a relationship. Everyone you meet appreciates your considerable appeal. If you keep to the rules of the game at all times, your encounters turn out to be enjoyable and eventful. That's your horoscope for today, Virgo. And as always, we're going to close it off since Black King Sebastian is not here, but we do have Playboy International is sponsoring the She's Hot contest, and our She's Hot contest will be this Friday, so make sure to put your votes in. We already have been seeing a lot of people swaying towards a certain someone, but stay tuned for Friday to figure out who that person is. And as always, we have the Rose and Gold hat, Rose and Gold Jamaican hair products and gel, cat claws, and many other merchandise that you can find on our website or in the link down below. These were all of our hot topics.